And if I don't make it, tell my family that I died on the gambit. Let them remember me the way that I was.
I saw you die.
Not the first time that's happened, right?
Tell them that you couldn't find me. Tell them I ran.
Where have you been?
Everywhere.
That's not an answer.
That's the one you're getting.
I won't lie for you.
Fine. Don't tell them anything.
Hey, this is what you got wrong about me.
How could you still be alive? Where have you been all this time? Why didn't you call us? And the answer to all of them is because it's Sarah.
Every scar on my body is a memory, a lesson that I learned in blood. League of Assassins, class of '09. Don't take it easy on me. And it's what makes me who I am. And I don't forget any of it. I am Tahir Al-Safer. That was my new name. Now we've both faced death. We both died before. The difference is, I learned from my scars. Because the woman that I was gone. You've just forgotten yours.
I know you're a hero.
I'm not a hero. I am the furthest thing from it.
You need to learn to embrace your human side.
And what if that side of me is gone? What if she doesn't exist anymore? You deserve someone better. Someone who can harness that light that's still inside of you. I spent 6 years in the darkness, but I'm not that person. Can't cut off his head, take his heart.
Sarah! 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 Sarah, no!
You're not a killer.
You don't know about me,
You don't know who I am, Laurel, not really. You're not a murderer or an assassin.
about who I am and who I've become.
You are one of the strongest people I have ever met, Sarah.
Remember, legends never die.
Who is your master?
I have no master. I'm not that easy to kill.